Hi, my name is Dustin from Mercedes-Benz of Georgetown. I'm the product concierge here. And today I'm in a GLS 580 and I'm going to show you how to use your recovery assist in your off-road assistant. This is going to be applicable for GLS 580s and 450s with the e-active body control suspension. And I'll show you how it works. The first thing we're going to do is we have to put the car into off-road plus mode. So we're going to take our dynamic select switch. We're going to push down on it until we end up in Off-Road Plus. And then once we're in the Off-Road Plus mode, we're going to go into the Vehicle Settings menu. And then we're going to go under the menu labeled Assist. When you first open the Vehicle Settings menu, it takes you to Quick Access. But what we want is going to be under Assistance. And then we're going to go into the menu labeled Off-Road Assistant. And we have two options. The one we're going to be covering today, and I'll even show you the other one, is recovery mode. So we're going to recovery mode, and it's giving us a description of what it's intended for. If you get stuck in sand, gravel, or mud, the idea is it jostles the wheels to try and dig itself out or get yourself out of it. That way you can keep on going down the trail. But when you're on land, it's just kind of fun to do. You get to watch the car dance, so to speak. So you just hit start. And then, it might be kind of hard to tell, or maybe you can, it starts dancing. And then all you do is you just hit stop. And it stops it. Now the other one we had was individual wheel control. And in here, we can actually take each wheel, and just like it sounds like, we can control its ride height. So now I have it sort of in a tilted upward position with its nose up in the air. And then I can do the opposite. I can take it and I can make it bow. And it's kind of hard to tell from the inside, but outside it does look pretty cool. That's just one of the many things that the GLS 580 is capable of with the e-active body control. There's a few other settings on here that you can adjust. If you wanted to see more about them, please consider subscribing or let us know what you want to see. Or you can come up here to Mercedes-Benz of Georgetown. I'll be happy to talk to you about them, or you can have one of our wonderful sales associates help you. Thank you. Have a great day.